awesome online app to quickly get the stylized videos and images like that. I'm gonna show you how. Basically, you just go to this address here, you click upload and choose whatever you want. Image, video, doesn't matter. So let's choose this image and you immediately get the look. And I personally like this black and white Dither look, and you get a lot of options what to choose from here. You can change the algorithm, you can change the colors, the pixel size, the strength, the contrast, threshold, everything. But other than the Dither look, you have many other options you can experiment with. And actually you also have restyle, like a random restyle button. And you can just click it and it will give you a different look every time. And also you can click inspire, get various images here. So yeah, once you like something, you can always click upload once again and for example, choose your video and it's going to be in that style. And once you're happy with the result, you can always click export, choose PNG or JPEG or MP4 video and export it. And I think this is a very useful tool if you need to create something cool real quick. So yeah, try it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.